In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move multiple tracks on your timeline in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now I have here two video tracks. You can see video 1 and video 2, but I like to go ahead and move these two just one step up so that we have video 1 track empty. To do so, it is quite simple. Just go ahead and click on an empty space, and this will go ahead and highlight all the tracks that you want to move. So if you want to move all of them, go ahead and select all of them. If you only want to move the two, go ahead and select the two and then leave it at that. To move them, just go ahead and click on the first one, and then now you can move it a step up, and you can see by doing so they all move. And now if you leave at that, you can see we have moved this and we have video track 3 created, and our video track 1 is now empty. You can now further go ahead and add here a new video track. However, you have to note that whenever you are moving multiple tracks or any single track, make sure that your track is unlocked for you to be able to do this. So that's how you can move multiple tracks on your timeline in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.